Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the pin option, this one, and tap on it. And here we have the option called enable pin. Tap on it, and now we can enter the pin we want to use to unlock our watch. So I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, it's gonna tell me it's a simple pin and it should be changed, but I'm just gonna tap on use it anyway and repeat it again to confirm, like this. And now you should see the disable pin option, change and auto lock. That means that the screen lock protection is enabled. And now when we lock the screen on our device, it should be locked when you try to wake it up, as you can see. And now we need to enter the pin to unlock it. And to disable the pin protection, simply open the menu again, tap on settings, tap on pin, and tap on disable pin. And you will need to enter the current pin to disable it, like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.